In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. Let's start by opening your Asana workspace and heading straight to the project where this work belongs. Think of a project as the organized home for a specific initiative or team. Using the left sidebar, select the project that matches the effort you're working on so the task lands in the right place from the beginning. If your project supports different views, List View is a clear way to see new items appear as you add them. Once you're in the correct project, look for the Add Task button near the top of your task list. Clicking this creates a new, blank task right inside the project you're viewing. Adding tasks directly from the project keeps everything visible to your teammates and makes sure the task inherits the project's default fields and workflows, which helps with consistency and reporting later on. Now, give your task a strong, clear name. Make it action-oriented and specific, so anyone scanning the project understands what needs to happen at a glance. Start with a verb, include the key deliverable, and add just enough context to avoid back and forth. For example, instead of something vague like update, write something like update homepage hero image with new campaign artwork. Clear titles reduce confusion and save time for everyone who touches the task. Next, open the Assignee field. In the task pane, find the Assignee area and click the plus icon or the field itself to begin assigning. Assigning a task gives it a clear owner, which is essential for accountability. Even if multiple people will collaborate, every task should have one primary owner to drive it forward. If you're the person responsible, feel free to assign it to yourself right here. From the list of people, select the teammate who will own the work. You can usually start typing their name to filter quickly. Double-check that you're choosing the correct person from your team, especially if multiple people share similar names. If the right person doesn't appear, confirm that you're in the correct team or workspace. Selecting the assignee ensures the task appears on their My Tasks and notifies them so nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. You've navigated to the right project, added a task, named it clearly, and assigned it to the correct owner. Keep your naming consistent across the project, and always create tasks in the right project to maintain visibility and momentum. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.